Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 3 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2106. Maximum fruits harvested after at most k steps. Okay, so let's make this problem easy. Okay, so let's read the problem statement. Fruits are available at some positions on an infinite x-axis. Okay, you are given a 2D integer array fruits where fruits of I, position of I and amount of I. Okay, so this fruits array, okay, it is going to contain two things. Okay, so it is a 2D array, right? So it contains two things. One is position and one is amount. Okay, so it depicts amount I, fruits at the position I. Okay, fruits is already sorted by position of I. Okay, so fruits is already sorted by position of I in ascending order. Okay, and each position of I is unique. Okay, so important line that fruits is already sorted by position of I. Okay, so first position and amount. Okay, so 2 after 2 6 is there, after 6 8 is there. Okay, so fruits are already sorted by the position. All right. Okay, so important line. Okay, this one. You are also given an integer start pose and an integer k. Initially you are at the position start pose. Okay, so here start pose is 5, so initially you are here, okay, at this particular position. Okay, from any position you can either walk to the left or right. Okay, so you can move either to the left or right. Okay, it takes one step to move one unit on the x-axis and you can walk at most k steps in total. Okay, at most k steps. Okay, here 4. All right, for every position you reach you harvest all the fruits at that position and the fruits will disappear from that position. Okay, we have to return the maximum total number of fruits you can harvest. All right. Okay, so let's understand with an example here. Okay, so here position amount. Okay, so at position 2 amount is 8, at position 6 amount is 3. Okay, at position 8 amount is 6. All right. Okay, and start pose is 5 and k is equal to 4. Okay, so at most 4 steps you can take, right? Here from any position you can either walk to the left or right. It takes one step to move one unit on the x-axis and you can walk at most k steps in total. Okay, all right. So here what you need to do. Okay, so here you are starting from here now, from 5. Okay, so okay, first before starting this one, okay, let's say this is one number line. Okay, this is one number line and here this is your starting position. Okay, S and P. All right, so here let's say there are some fruits, let's say 5 fruits here, let's say 3 fruits here. Okay, amount. Okay, this is number line and you already know that number line is already sorted based on position. Okay, so this is one. Okay, this is number line. Okay, you can say simple number line. All right, so here let's say you have fruits like this, 2 amount. Okay, 1 3 something like this. All right. Okay, this is number line, so you can also say 0 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index, 6 index. Okay, simple number line. All right, so now here from this position, okay, let's suppose you move to the left. Okay, right, so this is just one unit. Okay, so you can walk at most k steps and it takes one step to move one unit on the x-axis. Okay, so this is one unit. All right, this is 2 unit. All right, so you have collected this 2, you have collected this 1. Okay, and from here what you did, you decide to take one turn, okay, to the right. Okay, so here you are going to take one step. Okay, you want to collect the fruits this 5 and 3 now. Okay, so you move here, you move here, you move here, and then you move here. Okay, this is done. Now this one is still left. Okay, 3. Now from here you decide to move back, okay, to this direction to collect fruit which is available at position 1. Okay, this fruit. All right. Okay, right, so now you have collected all the fruits. Okay, so now here this is your starting position. Okay, so how many steps you move here? Okay, how many units you move? 1 2, okay, 1 2, then here you make a turn 3 4, okay, you come back here, then 5, then 6, okay, then you make a turn again 7, then you go here 8, okay, then you go here 9, then you go here 10, and then you go here 11, okay, 11 only, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, okay, 11, all right. So okay, so you are getting 11, but here if you notice one thing, if you notice one thing, we have already collected these fruits at position 2, right? Okay, but still I am moving back here, I am still moving back, okay, so I have already covered this distance, okay, from this position to this position. I've already covered distance, okay, and again I am moving back, okay. So this is one waste step, okay, this is one waste thing that I was doing here, right? Okay, let's say I move here, okay, let's say I make a one turn, okay, so that I can collect this 5 and 3, okay. So now if I collect this 5 and 3 here, okay, then I will say that yeah, it's good, okay, because I collected this one, I collected this one, and I collected this one and this one, okay, yes, so it's good if I just move back, okay, because I want to collect all these fours, okay, then it's good, okay. But now here there is one more thing, okay, now here until here it's good, okay. Now again here you are moving to the left, okay, then you are moving to the right, then again you are making one turn to the left, okay, left, right, and again you are moving to the left to collect this, okay. So here, from here when you move back, okay, so see here you have already corrected this, okay, you have already corrected there's nothing here, so you have already moved here, you have already corrected this, you have already corrected this, okay. So this is one more base step that you are doing, okay, this is one more base step you are doing, okay. So here you are taking total 11 steps, right? Now here instead of this, if you do this, okay, if you move here one step, then two step, okay, one and two, and then you collect this three also, okay, here you collect this three also, okay, and then you move back this, and then you collected here five, okay, this five, and then you collected this three, okay. So now again you are able to collect all the fruits, right? This is your starting position, okay. From here you are able to collect this two, one, and then three, then you make one turn, okay, this, you reach here, again you move here, you collect this five, and you collect this three, okay. So now how many steps you are taking? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, just 8 steps, okay, just 8 steps. Here you are taking 11. So now tell me which one is better, this 11 or this 8, okay. You have to collect all the fruits. Let's say you have to collect all these, okay, let's say you have to collect all these. Now tell me 11 is better or this 8 is better? 8 is better definitely, right? Because here we are moving some extra steps, okay, unnecessarily, right? So from here I conclude that if I am moving to the left first, so collect everything which is in the left side, okay, then move to the right, okay. If you are moving to the left, then collect everything whatever you can, okay, and then you can move to right, okay. So don't move like this, left and then right and then left, okay. So this is important one. Don't move to left, then right, and then to left, okay. So if you are moving to left, then collect whatever you can, okay, then move to right, that's it, okay, that's it, complete. Or you can start from here, you can move to right, okay, very good, move to right, then just collect, then just move to left, okay, if you want, that's it, okay. Don't take one more turn, okay. This is important point, okay. So okay, this is done, all right. So now here from here, okay, this is your starting position 5, okay. So from here, let's say you are moving to the left, okay. So if you are moving to the left, so how many steps you are going to take? 1 2 and 3, only 3 steps, okay. So you can collect this fruit, okay, if you are moving, okay. After 3, okay, in total we can take 4 steps now. So you can move here or you can move here, okay. There is no use actually, okay. Even if you move to the right direction now, you still are not able to collect any other fruits, okay. So until here you are only going to collect one fruit only, okay, this 8, right? Okay, done, this 8. So how I'm going to calculate the number of steps that we take here? So how to calculate the number of steps? It is also very easy. So here, from here I derived one thing, that if you are moving to left, collect everything whatever you can, okay, whatever is the requirement, and then move to right. Okay, don't take up one more turn. Okay, so now let's say this is your starting position. Okay, now if you are moving to the left here, you are going to reach this left position. Okay, so now after left position, okay, let's suppose if you move to the right after this. Okay, so let's say you reach here. Okay, this is nothing but a right position. All right, so now how many steps you are going to take here? So I can do one thing now. Whatever the what is the distance between this? Okay, so I can say that this is nothing but, we have to just calculate the number of units. Okay, number of steps. So I can say that this is nothing but math dot absolute value. Okay, we are just calculating the total number of steps. Okay, so here in math dot absolute, you can just pass starting position minus left position. Okay, this is done. All right. Okay, and here in this, okay, you are taking some steps here, okay, in this direction, and some units here. So this value, what you are going to say? Okay, you are going to say this right position, minus left position. Okay, these are the number of steps you are going to take. Okay, number of steps, right? Number of steps here. Clear, right? So some units here. Okay, let's say x number of units here. Again, you are traveling this x. Okay, and here you are moving the remaining number of units. Okay, so let's say you are going to move total k. Okay, so total k. So in this direction, how many units you are moving? Okay, so you are saying x here now. So let's say x is nothing but, okay, x value, if I want to assign, I can say that this is nothing but a starting position. Okay, starting position, and here the left position. Okay, so this uh, starting position minus left position. Okay, or you can take the absolute of this absolute. Okay, so x number of units, right? So if you are moving x number of units here, from here to here, then remaining are k minus x. Okay, remaining are k minus x, right? If you are moving x number of units here, okay, total you can move is k, let's say, right? So remaining are k minus x. Okay, k minus x. So you are going to move this as k minus x. Okay, k minus x, or what is the value of this one then? Okay, so this one is also very simple. Total is k minus x, and if you subtract this part, okay, this part, so this part is x only, k minus x minus x, k minus 2x. Okay, so this part is nothing but k minus 2x. Okay, k minus 2x, that's it. Okay, so just don't need actually this k minus x. Okay, just I'm explaining. Okay, so here x units, so here in this part is k minus 2x. Okay, but you are moving in total k. Okay, so here this is how you are going to calculate the number of units you move. Okay, same way, here you are moving to the left and then to right. Okay, from the starting position. Okay, now let's say this is your starting position. You first move to the right. Okay, and then you move to the left. Okay, left position, let's say this is right position. So again, for this one also, formula is going to be remain same only. Okay, so here let me just copy this. Okay, and let me paste it here. Okay, so now here again, if you see how you're going to calculate, so first you move to this. Okay, so sp minus rp, just do sp minus rp here, right? Okay, so this number of units, and then rp minus lp. Okay, so rp is always going to be, right position is always going to be bigger than left position. Okay, because it is given in the problem statement that fruits is already sorted by position of I. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so here starting position to this, and then from here to here you are calculating the total number of units. Okay, so this is one particular window, right? In this window, how many fruits you can collect. Okay, so what I am going to do, okay, this is already sorted based on the position. Okay, so I am going to see here how many fruits I can collect in one particular window. Okay, can I collect this? Okay, yes, I can collect. Okay, because only 3 steps we are taking, right? So I can collect this. Okay, now after that I move here, so I'm going to check this as my left and this as my right. Okay, so I can I collect these two both? Okay, can I collect this both two amounts? Okay, 8 plus 3 11. Can I collect this 8 plus 3 11? So I will calculate that. Okay, if not, then I'm just going to move my L here. Okay, then can I collect this single one? Okay, with k is equal to 4. okay, from my starting position, right? And then my R is going to move here. Then I will say that if I can correct this, okay, I will show you. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so from here one thing is clear: move left and then move right. Okay, for the k number total k units. Okay, okay, so move left, okay, for k number of units, move right for k number of units, or move left and then right for k number of units, or move right and then move left for k number of units. Okay, these are the only possible cases, right? Okay, right. So we have to just apply this simple formula every time, okay, for this sliding window technique. Okay, so however we are going to solve this problem using sliding window, let's see. Okay, so here let me just simply copy this same example. Okay, here this example and output is 9. Okay, so here let me copy this. Okay, so this is your example, right? Okay, so now here what you need to do here, fruits are like this. Okay, 2 and then 8. Okay, then you have 6 comma 3. Okay, and then you have 8 comma 6, right? So here now listen carefully how I'm going to solve this problem using sliding window. Okay, very simple code I'm going to write. Okay, only hardly 30 lines. Okay, very simple. So here we have to find out the maximum number of fruits that we can get. Okay, so I'm going to put my left pointer here and I'm going to place my right pointer here. Okay, so right now only this window is there. Okay, right now only I'm going to check if I can collect this fruit. Okay, at position 2, but my starting point is 5. Okay, my starting position is nothing but 5. Okay, so from this 5, can I collect this? Okay, can I collect this? So how many number of units we are moving? Just 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so if I'm moving 3 number of units, how much we can move? We can move 4, right? But we are moving just 3 now. That's fine. That simply means that I can collect this. Okay, so here how you are going to do this? Okay, so here left pointer, right pointer. Okay, now first this time, okay, what is the total amount that you can collect? So here you are going to create one some variable. In sum, just add 8. Okay, so 8 is the number of fruits that you can collect right now. Okay, now we are going to check, we are going to shrink the window if the distance is greater than k. Okay, if the distance is greater than k. So how I'm going to check that? Okay, sliding window simple, left should always be less than equal to right. Okay, this we always need to check. Okay, simple sliding window technique, right? And moreover here I have to check one more thing, number of steps that I'm going to take from starting position to this. Okay, so here you are moving to the left. Okay, so how you're going to do that? Starting position minus left position. Okay, so left is right now this 2. Okay, right is also at 2. Okay, position, if you see left is at 2 position, right is also at 2 position. Okay, and amount is 8. So here apply this formula, you are moving to the left first. Okay, you are moving to the left here. So starting position is 5. Okay, 5 minus left position is 2. Okay, so you are going to get 3 here, and in this 3 you are going to add right position is also 2 right now. Okay, and left position is also 2. So how many steps we are taking? Just 3. Okay, just 3. Okay, if I apply this formula, just 3 steps. Okay, and 3 number of steps is smaller than k, right? We can take at least k, so there is no need to shrink the window. Okay, so right, so now right now how many max number of fruits that I collect? Max number of fruits that I can collect right now is nothing but 8. Okay, 8, sum is 8, right? And so I will say 8 only, right? Okay, now after that my R is going to move further. Okay, my R is here. Now I'm going to check this window. I'm going to check this complete window. Okay, so in this window what I'm doing, from starting position. Okay, from starting position, so here this window, right? Okay, so from starting position you can say first L. Okay, and you can say here you are moving right position. Okay, like this, right? You are including this 2 8 also, right? Then 6 3. Okay, so here you are going to calculate this. Okay, so sum, first of all sum is going to become 8 plus 3. Okay, now you are taking this window, right? 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. This is done. Okay, now in this window if you notice, starting position is 5. Okay, 5, and then you are moving to the left. Okay, so 5 minus 2 3. Okay, and what is right minus L? Right minus L is going to be 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 units. 7 units is greater than 4. that is bad. Okay, that is bad, because we can only take 4, so that's the difference. We need to shrink. Okay, so first let me prove how 7. Okay, what are those 7 steps? Okay, so 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 means 1, 2 and 3. We collected this. Then after this I move to this. Okay, at 6th position. Okay, this window now. So move one step back, one more step back, one more step back, and here. So see, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 coming here, then plus 4, that is nothing but right position minus left position. Okay, so 7. All right, so 7 is greater than 4. Okay, so that simply means we need to shrink the window. So in order to shrink the window, I'm moving my L forward. Okay, so now my L is going to reach here. Okay, so now when my L is going to reach here, then I have to remove this 8. Okay, I have to remove this 8. So here from this sum I'm going to remove this 8, so my total value is going to become 3 now, right? Okay, so this is the only window that I can reach now, right? Okay, 3. So max fruit, previous is 8 now, this time I am only correcting this 3, but I need to return the max fruit. So from previous case, just keep 8 only here right now. Okay, because this is best now if I just correct this instead of this. Okay, right now. Okay, now here this is done. Now again you are going to expand the window, so now your R is going to reach here. Okay, your R is going to reach here. Now if your R reaches here, what is the amount that you are going to collect here? 6. Okay, so sum is going to become 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Done. All right, this is done. Okay, now how many number of okay, this is done. So now we are going to check if we can collect, this. Okay, and this is already in sorted order. Okay, that is why we are applying the sliding window. Okay, so now 6 and 8. Okay, so now here simple now, starting position to 6 you are moving. Okay, starting position to 6. Okay, so starting position is nothing but 5 and here 6. Okay, 5 to 6. Okay, I'm taking the absolute only, so -1 instead of -1 I will say 1. Okay, then here this is my L. Okay, then here after that R minus L we need to do. Okay, so 1 R minus L is 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, right? So that is nothing but 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so let me prove 3. So from here one step. Okay, with one step we are reaching here. Okay, then 2 and then 3. Okay, so that is why 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so we can collect this. 3's value is smaller than k. Okay, we can collect this. So if we can collect this, so max number of fruits is, previous max is 8, now this time max is 9. Okay, so move here. Okay, then right is going to go out of bound. Okay, so right is going to move out of bound. Okay, then just stop it, Okay, so now output is going to be 9. That's it. Okay, so see, output is 9. That's it, very easy. Okay, code is also going to be very easy, right? Let's write the code now. Okay, and you can try writing the solution for this example number 2. Okay, just like this. Okay, just take one copy and pencil. Okay, and just try to solve it. Okay, like the way how I have solved here. Okay, your own copy, right? L and R. Okay, and see if you are getting this as your output. Okay, 14. Once you did that, okay, then you guys will get clear idea, okay, on how to write the code for this one. Okay, now I'm moving to the code part. Okay, but you can also try. Okay, so code is going to be very simple. Okay, very few lines. Int and okay, and there is one more approach you can do. Okay, since this array is already sorted on based on the positions, right? So you can also apply binary search. Okay, on the fruits on these positions, right? Okay, upper bound and lower bound, you can try that. Okay, so if you are guys are going to solve the question using that approach, just paste the solution in the comment section. Okay, so that others can also refer. Okay, so in this approach I'm just showing you the sliding window. Okay, that is also very simple. Both approaches are a little bit similar, but there is going to be some extra code in the binary search approach. Okay, this one is a little bit simple. Okay, so if you have solved this problem using the binary search, okay, just feel free to paste the solution in the comments. Okay, all right. Int here sum is equal to 0 initially, and left is also equal to 0. Done. Now here you have to just run one loop. Okay, int right is equal to 0, and here right is less than n, and here right plus plus, and here sum is equal to sum plus fruits, right, and here 1. Okay, we need the amount here. Okay, I waited this. Okay, so now from here we have to just shrink window if distance becomes greater than k. Okay, so we are just going to shrink the window. So here I'm just going to run one while simple while loop, while left is less than equal to right, and here I'm just going to call one method. Okay, mean number of steps. Okay, I will just calculate mean number of steps, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass fruits. Okay, left position. So left position is simple, we have at left and 0. Okay, and here right position, so I can say that fruits, and here right, and here 0. Okay, and here after this I'm just going to write start position. Okay, and all these values, okay, whatever the min number steps that I'm going to get, if it is become greater than k, okay, then only I have to shrink the window, right? So if I'm shrinking the window, so from the sum I have to reduce this. Okay, but the fruits left side value, okay, fruits of left and 1 here. Okay, this is what I need to remove. Okay, left and here 1. Okay, this is done, and left plus plus. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we are shrinking the window, and here I'm just going to calculate the max number of fruits that I'm going to get as of now. So that is nothing but math dot max of here max fruits, and here a sum. Okay, this is done, and from here you are going to simply return, but you are going to return max number of fruits. That's it. Okay, now we have to just write the code for max number of fruits. Okay, so we have to calculate the minimal steps needed to cover a window. Okay, you can say left position to right position. Okay, right position, right, and here what you are going to do, just write one method. Okay, private int main steps. Okay, so here what you are passing the left position, you are passing the right position, and you are passing the starting position. Okay, so here you can say start position, and here inside this you can either go left first and then right. Okay, you can go to either here you can say either go left first and then right. Okay, left first then right. Okay, and or you can do one thing, go right first then left. Okay, so this is what you need to do, right? So here you have to just return the minimum number of steps. Okay, so here return math dot min. Okay, so I will write both the cases here. Okay, so math dot min. All right, so inside this what I'm going to do, I'm going to write math dot absolute value. Okay, and here I'm just going to pass start position minus left position. Okay, plus right position minus left position. Okay, so let me just pass it like this. Okay, okay, this first left and then right. Okay, just copy this. Okay, copy this until here and paste it. If you are moving first to the right and then left. Okay, start position minus here right pos. Okay, right position. All right, and here right pos minus left position. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is done, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so only 23 lines. Oh, nice. I thought that maybe it will take 30 lines. Let's run the code and see. Nice, so the test case has been accepted, right? Okay, now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.